Good day everyone, I am Janet J. Masayano from BPET2C and these are my 3 Filipino scientists and their contributions. First is Jose R. Velasco. Jose R. Velasco is a PhD, a Filipino plant physiologist and agricultural chemist noted for his research on soil and plant nutrition and on coconut diseases. His contribution conducted research on the photoperiodism of the rice plant. Among his findings, which were published only after the end of the war, was that the elon variety flowered during short days when there was less than 12 hours of light. He pursued a career in science. During journey in the academy was far from smooth. He allegedly transferred to the institution we know as Central Luzon State University's Science High School because his stint in a vocational high school didn't quite work out as planned. Initially wanting to pursue a career in law, he eventually realized that he may not be as well suited for the professions as he had hoped. Admirably, he took it in stride, as he himself put it. Loss was science again. After graduating salutatorian, Dr. Velasco was admitted to the University of the Philippines UP College of Agriculture in Los Baños, where he specialized in agriculture chemistry. There, he finished at the top of his class in 1940, after which he joined that UP faculty. Second is Dr. Alfredo C. Santos. He accomplished academic in the fields of pharmacy and chemistry. He focused on phytochemistry, the study of chemicals derived from plants. He pioneered studies in the isolation and elucidation, or identifying the chemical structure, of chemical components from indigenous Philippine plants. He contributed and studied alkaloids, organic compounds that can be derived from plants and mostly contain basic nitrogen atoms. His findings showed that certain medicinal plants can address various health problems and symptoms, such as inflammation, high blood pressure, tuberculosis, gastric ulcer, dysentery, and diarrhea. He pursued a career in science, Dr. Santos, because he devoted much of his time, energy, and career to studying the chemistry of Philippine medicinal plants. One of the first Filipinos to take a scientific approach to unlocking the medical potential of plants in the Philippines. Lastly is Gregorio Y. Zara, a doctor scientist. He is a well-known Filipino scientist with 30 devices and equipment patented to his name. Was born in Lipa City, Batangas. He contributed a total of 30 devices and equipment patented to his name, namely Earth Induction Compass, used by pilots for direction, the vapor chamber used to visualize radioactive elements, the wooden microscope, solar energy devices for areas not reached by power lines, a functional robot, the photophone, which allowed audio-visual phone conversation, a functional alcohol-fueled plane, wooden aircraft propellers, and a corresponding propeller cutting machine. He pursued a career in science because a native of Lipa, Batangas. Zara finished primary schooling at Lipa Elementary School, where he graduated as valedictorian in 1918. In 1922, he again graduated valedictorian in Batangas High School, an accolade which warranted him a grant to study abroad.